Hi! I'm Hannah.
Shy.
Rena, ang MCO de Marte.
Mahal ka.
Wow, pagbukas si Ma'am Kate ka, ganang harap.
Hello guys, paano ba to? Anyway, here we are setting up the Village 6 flagship. Bali, papakita namin kung paano siya sineset up, nilalock, ilalagay yung outer sheet. Ayan, so make sure yung outer sheet nakatapat na sa corners para mas madali. Nakalimutan namin yung mesh, kaya canopy na lang. Ito yung mga poles na included naman na, so all-in package together with your pegs. Hindi lang kasama yung taga-peg, pero ayan, here's our setup. Make sure lang na angled yung mga pegs at least 45 degrees para hindi masira yung pegs at hindi madaling mabunot. Here naman is a sample ng airbed na may sarili na siyang pump, air dependent na lang. Wala kang kailangan dalhin na power supply because you can just charge this. Hindi mo kailangan isaksak. Ito yung mga windows. So ayan, ito na, gabi na. Hindi ko na video yung mga ibang ganap kasi ang dami nang nangyari and focus kami syempre into building new memories with our friends and family. Ito naman, meet Sky, our maarte baby. Siya talaga ang number 1. Ayan, naririnig mong umiiyak na, nagpapakuha at nagpapababy na naman. So here naman yung Maarte Power Station and our very own solar panel that will be launching very soon this coming January 2026. And here's our day 2 setup. So you'll see a bunch of different camping gears here. 3 canopies, 3 tents, a bunch of chairs, coolers, and everything else. So here, mag-montage na lang muna tayo so you could see what our setup looks like. So ang next activity natin is cooking our lunch and preparing it. So, it's a little activity for everyone. Bonding na din. Kasi, ganito, we just stay out, we just stay outside, and then we prepare it together. Kanya-kanyang toka ng food. And hindi ko na yata na-videohan yung Wagyu kimchi. That's for our lunch. Kasi naubos na. But, di ko na alam. Guys, ang hirap mag-voiceover. Paano ba kasi to?
Hi guys! Kate here. Tagatawa lang. So, pampababa ng kinain guys, swak muna natin yung mga babies.
Power station update. Pangatlong power station na yung full charge natin. Yung sa Maarte Power Station, it took 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach 100%. And now we're charging our EcoFlow naman. So, very helpful, very useful, and very compact yung power station na ilo-launch natin very soon. So, please continue to support us. And watch out for the other products that we'll be launching. So, dahil bumaba ng araw, it's time to experience what this campsite offers. Ayan, tayo ay maliligo na sa river. Here, you can see our MCOG angels swimming and having fun and relaxing and chilling. Time naman ng ating fur babies na mag-swim. So, sila Sky, si Awos, nagsiswim and nagpa-play around sa river. And there, we can say na for those campers na merong mga kids, merong mga pets, they should definitely try this campsite out kasi for sure magiging worth it ang punta nila, mag-enjoy ang everybody. And si Sky, ngayon lang talaga siya nag-swim after several rivers na we tried. Ngayon lang siya nag-play sa river. So I think this campsite is really something that we would try again, especially kapag gusto namin mag-enjoy ang aming fur babies.
Dinner time, let's cook sinigang. So, this is Chef Kate Tuturuan ko kayo magsinigenggeng. Gisa nyo lang lahat yan, tapos lagyan nyo ng patis, guys. And then, pakuluan nyo na hanggang sa lumambot. Tapos, lagyan natin ng sinigang mix. Mukha lang Bicol Express yan, guys, pero masarap yan.
Okay, so wala na naman pong vid yung pagkain when we ate, but definitely naubos yon. After eating, we chilled and gumawa ng s'mores, nagkwentuhan, nag-catch up, and kumain ulit ng midnight snack. Anyway, I think ito yung highlight ng camp, yung pinaka-favorite ko na part, kasi this is where we really connect with nature and our loved ones at the same time. Ito yung time na we get to slow down. Madalas no phones to, back to basics, kwentuhan at kantahan. And yun, we just really make the most of our time to create memories that would last us a lifetime. So here, day 3 update ng cooler. We have a total of 4 coolers, 2 para sa food and 2 para sa ice na drinking ice. So far, so good. Dinidrain namin yung water every night para ma-maintain, ma-make sure na hindi mas mabilis matunaw yung ice and tumagal talaga. So yun, here's a glimpse of our last day para hindi masyadong pagod. Konti-konti lang syempre yung ligpit namin. Yung iba naglalaro, yung iba nagluluto, yung iba nakaupo lang. Lunch for today is chicken tinola. Anyway, just a friendly reminder to all our fellow campers or fellow Marte campers to always leave no trace. Let's leave the area clean. Syempre, for this campsite naman may designated na trash bin. So, let's really do our part to maintain this basic camping etiquette. Bago kami umuwi, papakita lang muna namin ulit sa inyo yung River Ranch here in Tanay Rizal where we stayed for 3 days. Papakita rin namin sa inyo yung facilities and this the area where we enjoyed. Anyway, super spacious. Here yung riverside where we can swim. And yung CR naman, super dami nilang CR. As you can see, yung mga shower may sabitan. And I think ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-okay na CR na napuntahan namin. Kasi lalo yung shower area, sobrang hindi masikip. Kahit madaming tao, hindi namin na-experience pumila sa CR. And then, meron din silang gazebo where you can charge. Wala silang signal, although meron silang Starlink. And then, transpo accessibility, as kanina sabi namin, 1 hour and a half to almost 2 hours away from MCOG showroom. Meron din silang quiet time up until 10 p.m. Yung electricity nga, wala silang electricity but meron charging areas kasi solar powered naman sila. Yung crowd nung nagpunta kami, medyo madami nakaset up pag weekends, I think. But spacious naman, so you really get to choose kung saan mo mapiling mag-pitch ng tent. Yung experience namin, okay yun na pitchan namin kasi para kaming may sariling area. Medyo malayo lang sa river pero mas na-enjoy namin kasi big group kami so para hindi rin kami nakaka-disturb ng mga katabi. And then siguro sa mga pwede nilang ma-improve is I think to add more shaded areas like bigger trees, ganyan kasi though malawak yung area, medyo onte yung areas na lilim. Lalo na yon medyo mainit. But nonetheless, sobrang okay talaga. Meron ding mga sari-sari stores nearby. So, madali lang, very accessible. And then, yung price point nila is 800 per night. I think okay naman yon sa naging facilities and dun sa views. As you can see, sila Malos, bago kami umuwi, nagmuni-muni pa. Ayan, so our experience was really okay, was really great. I-recommend namin to sa mga Marte campers na mamimit pa namin and mga na-meet na namin. Hindi ko pala napakita ang aming dinner nung first night. Care of Ellie and JP, our first time campers. Sana na-enjoy nila. Super sarap nung aming hot pot night.